Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back for another unboxing video. Today I am unboxing the BitFenix Nova Mesh SE mid tower case. I'm getting ready to do another computer build. So this computer build I'm going to do is going to be an all white PC. And here's my case right now. Make sure y'all stay tuned for all the videos. I will be updating you on all the process. Actually, this is probably going to be the actual build is going to be on both channels. This channel and my Guru James channel. The unboxings will be on this channel, and then the completed process I'll be over on my Guru James channel. So make sure y'all subscribe to that. But this case has front panel, dust filter, has 4 fans that come with it. It's tempered glass panel, side panel, and a modular hard drive tray set in it. So let's get this baby up open and we can show y'all what's in the box. Ooh, yeah, that's always the best part. Boom. Ooh, I can see it before you guys see it. But I mean, I've seen it on the computer before I ordered, but I actually see it right now. Let me fix my watch there. My watch trying to come off on me. So. Ooh, boy, it look like a transformer. Here we go. Set it this way. Oh man, of course I would break something. Well, not break it, but that's just the plastic. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, you guys. I'm trying to be real easy with it. Wait a minute, I'm gonna have to turn it this way for a second. There we go. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Let me get all this stuff off of here. Take it off of this. Ooh, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Here comes the music. Got a little shot. Ooh, look at that. Pretty boy. Ooh. Oh, that's nasty. Check it out, you guys. Oh my God. Look at that. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Here's the back side of the case right here, the solid side. They got this thing. Let me take this off real quick. The back, you can see for your motherboard. You got your slots here. This is for your power supply. Tempered glass, mesh top. And look at here. This comes right off. Air hole, put your mesh top right there. Nice and clean. Inside of it, nice and big. I put my ATX in there. You got the 4 fans in there. Up top, you got your power button, your LED, your USB 3.0, 2.3 headphone jack, and the microphone jack. LED right here, lets you know. Oh man, this case. Oh, I love it. It works out. It came out even better than I thought. Let's see, guys. I'm getting ready to do a build, and as you guys know, with every case, I'll make sure it's that. Make sure that's okay. That can come off. Make sure they ain't scratch it. But with every build, you know, I do a Funko Pop. So once I get this all set, I have my Funko Pop right there. Let me show you guys that real quick. Every computer build I do has a theme to it. This build will be Snow White. Funko Pop, Snow White, the Disney princess. So once I get everything set up, once I do the build, right in this area right here, I'll put Snow White standing right there in my build. And then that'll be my whole computer build. I gotta make sure this is clean. Like might be a little scratch right there. Oh, that's paper. Oh, it's a piece of paper. Oh, okay, my bad. It's a piece of paper on here. So I ain't gonna take that off. That's the last thing I do. But hey, you guys make sure y'all stay tuned for all the videos as I do this computer build. This is an unboxing of one thing. I get back with y'all when I unbox another piece of the puzzle. See y'all on the next one.